when I lose my way in noise and sound. You draw me back to solid ground. When I forget the reason why, you lift my eyes to where you abide.
Whispers truth each day. Through chaos loud, through trials small, you stand unshaken through it all. You are the center of it all, the reason that I sing. Without you there nothing, Lord. You are my everything. When my plans begin to fade and dreams dissolve like fleeting shade, still your purpose lights my soul. Your steady love makes me whole. Let every song return to you, every chord, each word made new. Let every heart, both near and far, be drawn to you remain. I bring no riches, no perfect tune, just a heart that longs for you. You never asked for gold or fame, just love that bears your holy name. You see the hidden parts of me, the prayers I've never said or dreamed, and still you call me close again, to walk with you where grace remains. Pure devotion, holy flame, burn within me in your name. Let my worship never fade, but shine in quiet grace. Not in grandeur, not in might, but in surrender lies the light. My offering small yet true and whole, an open heart, a yielded soul. You've never needed songs rehearsed,
temples made by hands, but in hearts where grace expands. Not in noisy crowds aloud, but in the humble quiet bow.
Not in words rehearsed or grand, but in the truth that you command. You seek the heart sincere and near, where love replaces fear. In spirit and truth, I'll worship you with all I am, all that I do. You're not far, you dwell in me, eternal love, my melody.
You don't desire songs alone, but hearts made pure that call your throne. You meet me where the stillness stays, and turn my silence into praise.
Teach me, Lord, to worship right, to walk by faith, not by sight. Let my life be living proof of worship born in spirit and truth. In spirit and truth, I'll worship you with all I am, all that I do. You're not far, you dwell in me, eternal love, my melody. In spirit and truth, I'm home with you forever, Lord, renew.
Like the tide returning home, my heart keeps running to your shore. Through every storm and every calm, I find my peace in you once more.
Every step's a whispered prayer, every breath says you are there. When I drift, your love pursues, drawing me back to truth.